Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 27th of May 2020. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. Local times 5:12 a.m. The new candle on the 12-hour charts was at 4 a.m., so 1 hour and 12 minutes ago. It just took me a while to get the spreadsheets and the charts up to date. But all good now. Let's have a look at the TradingView setup. And here it is here. On the right's my watch list, all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. One's highlighted in blue, or ones I've currently got trades on. No highlight at all means no trades, and the ones highlighted in orange, or I think that's even looks like pinkish, is what I'm going to discuss in this video today. So we'll start with the Aussie New Zealand. Now, as I always say, you can pause the video or slow the video down if you can't understand me or there's too much information for you in one hit. So we'll look at this morning. Basically, this morning was a new buy signal here. I've taken this buy signal. As you can see, the trend is up. These are my MAs, moving averages. This is a 50, 100 and 240. So they're spreading to the upside. Prices come back close to them, and there's a new QMP filter, which is this green dot on the chart here, buy signal. So I've taken a buy here. I'm already in a sell. So my buys are designated by blue line. So the vertical blue and horizontal solid blue is my entry level. And that was sequence 2. S1 is sequence 1, S2 is sequence 2, because I've got two separate trades on here. The sell was taken here. I've already closed half on that sell and got a stop in place, which is designated by the red dotted line, which is just below the entry level. A little bit hard to see. So overall, both trades overall break even is at this level 107,111. This yellow dash line. As long as price remains above that, I can close both trades and be in profit. Looks like the buy's already gone against me a little bit. Look, it's not a great, it's a valid setup, but ideally this thing has to go up and break this previous high. I'm not sure it will. I think I'll be trying to work my way out of this buy trade, and the sell trade will continue to do well. That's my opinion, but we'll trade what we see, not what we think. This green dash line down here is just a big number. In this case, it's parity, 1.00. So just lines of interest to me. If you see red trend lines like this, it means bearish divergence. Green lines, bullish divergence. And if you see blue trend lines, just something that's interests me, like a trend line or a resistance, support level, that sort of stuff. So that's the Aussie New Zealand. Took a buy trade on that this morning. CAD yen. The yen pairs aren't doing me any favors at the moment. This thing is new buy signal here, which basically means I have to hedge my trades. So all I did was take a second hedge buy. It's not a standalone buy trade by any means. The MACD Platinum, which is this bottom indicator, which is a zero lag MACD, is above the zero level. And zero level is that dotted line there. Remember, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. So in this case, this is just protecting my position. As you can see, my first sell was here, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy. So the MACD Platinum's remained above the zero level the whole time here. So overall break even, NA, not applicable, as hedged. So it's just taking a hedge, protecting my position there. USDCAD, the USD at the moment in general is tough to trade. So USD CAD, we'll see USD Swiss franc and USD Singapore dollar all give me grief. So we had this nice support level here. This is the USD CAD, nice support level by the blue trend line. Took a buy in here on this one, and now this has just dropped straight through. Now I could have had a stop in place under here, under this support level, and I would have been stopped out for loss. MACD Platinum still below the zero level, so I'm going to try and work my way out of it. Hence, I've taken a hedge sell trade this morning. break even, not applicable as hedged. So they're the same position size. You can read my notes there. USD Swiss franc, very similar. Again, good support level here. Took a buy in here. This thing, look at this, stuck in a range. This is, yeah. And here's Corona, up, down, the big move, and suddenly straight. And you can have a look at the MACD Platinum too. And the thing is, big moves like this is going to stuff up any sort of technical indicator, custom indicators, and your charts. So it's going to take a while for everything. Once this here goes off to the left of the screen, this will look a lot better. Just still tough to trade though. So we took a hedge sell here. Again, the MACD Platinum still below the 0 level in this case. Yeah. And USD Singapore dollar, I've taken 2 trades on the same candle. Now I was in a buy here. It wasn't a great setup, and I probably should have got out of it when I got a little bit of profit when it started to roll over. I didn't. Again, range bound sort of pair. So when I've got the sell signal today, again, nice little double top, I've started a new sequence. So I've taken a hedge sell on sequence 1. So there's 2 trades on this candle. There's a hedge sell. You can see it up here. So sequence 1, overall break even, not applicable, it's hedged. In sequence 2, I've taken a little bit of a high risk trade because the MA is into the MAs already, but the MAs are flattening, and I've got this nice little double top up here, so I'm taking it. So there's a sell there, same price as that hedge. So I've got 2 overall negative 0.02, which gives me an overall break-even level down just below this blue line here. The yellow dashed line's my overall break-even for both trades, so for both sequences. So if this thing rolls over, it just drops right down here somewhere, and I don't do anything else. If I close all trades, then I'm in profit. So the price has got to get below that yellow line. So that's it on the 12-hour charts. A little bit of stuff happening, not a great deal. Just have to wait for the spreads to come in when I get up at 4 a.m. Same applies to the daily charts. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. Everyone's got access to that shared spreadsheet. There's a link to that in the description of this video. So you're more than welcome to check that out. Like I always say, you're more than welcome to check out my Facebook group. There's over 6,000 members there now. And I do a lot of stuff in there also with regards to daily charts, etc. And there is also a Telegram group. You're more than welcome to join that also. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button, and I'll chat to you good folk later on. Cheers.